Hello, in front of me I've got ASUS AirVision. In this video I'll show you how to adjust your glasses. In the beginning, right here on the front, we've got the polarizing part of the glasses. We can attach or deattach manually. The second thing we can adjust is nose pads. In order to remove them, grab it firmly like this and pull them upwards. Now you can switch it to additional nose pads, and then you can adjust the position. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.